Introducing Manufacturing Lite. Manufacturing Lite's a complete manufacturing system for Acumatica. Manufacturing Lite's easy to set up and use. It's built for low-cost, high-volume manufacturers that engage in assembly, repetitive or lean manufacturing, or even batch processing. It addresses all aspects of manufacturing planning and control, including predefined processes that embody best practices for manufacturers. It's simple to set up because it's built on top of existing Acumatica screens and data. Manufacturing Lite has several components: planning to determine what to make in the coming months, forecasting to predict future sales, production to manage your factory floor, and capacity planning to control the schedule for critical production resources. Here's a Manufacturing Lite dashboard. You can see that it's a single menu group. Let's take a look at the production order screen. Here's production order number 38 for a desktop computer. You can see the components that it requires and the assembly resource that's required to make the item. Here's a 3-month plan from MRP showing the next 3 months worth of projected sales in a forecast and the required manufacturing needed to meet that schedule. We can look at the components using this viewer and look at their own component availability. The capacity planning screen shows you the shop load report, which is the level loaded resources used in production over the next couple of weeks. This is assembly labor. And here's production line 1, not quite as busy. When you run this, the system automatically updates planned orders and puts the new schedule right in the resources, date and time for each resource in your production order. Well, that's it for now. Keep an eye open for more YouTube videos on Manufacturing Lite, and we'll get into a lot more detail and cover some more of the features that you want to see.